Yo, okay, a chest full of loot. He's putting his diamonds in. Okay. Yo, all your stuff's that is so unlucky. Okay, red Wembu. Time for revenge. Okay, you got a mace. Dude, that's so lucky. You got diamonds and a mace. Yo. Well, why are you getting revenge on the zombies, bro? They didn't do anything. Creepers. Okay. No way he hits this. No way. This guy's crazy. No, this guy's actually insane. Wow. Wow. Yo, how is he doing that? What? Red Wembu.